A lot of people have negative connotations when they think of drones. We think of war, we think of bombing, and we don't always think of the positive things that drones can provide. My name is Ferne Friedman-Berg, and I'm helping to integrate drones into the national airspace. What we do as engineering research psychologists is we study how to make things more usable, and we try and design systems and procedures that are compatible with the way that people process information. I came to aviation research, and I wanted to go someplace where my work could have some kind of positive effect, where I could see the benefits of what I was doing. This is a slide depicting what a future UAS operating environment would be. I think it's important for women to be involved, especially in upcoming technological fields. And so there's a real variety of things to keep you engaged and to motivate you. And it's really nice to be able to get up every morning and say, I really like my job.